Make sure the Trasdata is connected to the USB port and power supply. Click on Read New Trasdata. Choose the vehicle's make and model. Click on Confirm. Click on Documents. Choose Open or Bench mode. Open mode is for operations on the opened ECU. Bench mode is for operations on the ECU's pins without opening it. Click on Manual. This opens the connection manual for the specific ECU type. Here you see what cables to use and where to connect the cables on the pins. Make sure to connect it exactly like shown in the manual. Take your time when connecting the cables to the ECU. Make sure not to forget any cables. Double check the connections with the manual. Make the job even easier by using a bench cable for the connection. You can find the link for the bench cables in the description below. Once connected, click on Close. Select Open or Bench mode. It needs to be the same mode as the way the ECU is connected. Click on OK to start the reading process. The reading process can take a few minutes. We've sped up the process for the video. Click on OK once the ECU read is completed. Enter the vehicle's information to save the file. Click on OK. Click on Yes. Click on OK. Click on OK to complete the process. Log in to your Tuning 24 dealer account. Click on Tune File. Type your vehicle's make and model in the search bar. Choose the correct version of your vehicle. Choose your desired tuning method. Click on Upload File. Select the readout file from the Out folder. The Out folder is located on your computer C drive in the Race 2000 folder. Click on Process. We've sped up the process for the video. When it's finished, accept the terms and conditions. Click on Buy and Download. Open your computer's Downloads folder. Copy the modified file. Paste the modified file in the In folder. The In folder is located on your computer C drive in the Race 2000 folder. Go back to the Flashpoint program. Click on the In button. Click on OK. Click on the modified file to highlight it. Click on Write New Trasdata. Click on Yes. Click on OK to start the writing. This process can take a few minutes. We've sped up the process for the video. Click on OK once the writing is finished. Click on OK to complete the process. The ECU is now programmed.